Thanks for watching my video about a homemade pizza oven project. This is a cement vermiculite mixture that is formed over a gym or fitness ball. First step is to create a structure to hold your fitness ball in place using plywood or some OSB sheet goods. You just want to create a hole in the plywood and inflate the ball so that it's nice and tight and won't go through. You got to cover your ball with some saran wrap to prevent the cement mixture from eating away at the surface material of the ball. And we didn't really do a great job of that. And after a few hours, we found the ball popped in the garage and the whole structure was destroyed. So, well, we got another ball. A couple days later, we started the process again. Used a bit more saran wrap or plastic wrap. Got a little bit better on stacking the vermiculite cement mixture to maintain a nice even thickness over the whole dome. And we were able to get that to work better the second time. We added some ceramic insulation blankets and some chicken wire type wire mesh to hold it all in place. Once the ball firms up and sets, you can cut out the opening with a reciprocating saw and a general purpose blade. Cuts surprisingly easy. We needed a spot for the pizza oven, so we started digging up the yard to create a concrete pad, and we chose to use concrete blocks for our construction material of the structure to support the pizza oven. Concrete blocks are fairly inexpensive, and we actually got seconds. You can buy seconds if you go to the factory where they're made. I think they were about $1 each, so pretty economical structure for the size of what you're building and the strength. This was a bit of a combo project between the Argentinian grill that we were building and the pizza oven. So on one side is the grill stand, and then the other side is the pizza oven. Most of the surfaces are made out of concrete, like the countertop, so we researched a little bit about building concrete countertops and just used some sheet goods to make some forms. This is the form for the pizza oven counter, and it's about 2 inches thick. It's about 42 inches square. I put some reinforcement steel mesh in it and some coloring to make it a little bit darker, but it's just regular quickcrete concrete ready mix out of the bag. There's a lot of YouTube videos on how to make concrete countertops. If you search that up, you'll find lots of instructions, and it didn't turn out too bad. For certainly good enough for an outdoor work surface. These are the fire bricks that we used for the base of the pizza oven. You can see first of all we used the cement vermiculite mixture to put down about 1.5 inches to 2 inches of insulating space, and then the fire bricks went on top for the surface of the pizza oven cooking surface. Alright, at this point we put a little layer of the cement vermiculite mixture and then placed the dome on top. We used a form to place the bricks around the entrance, the opening. Ended up having to cut a hole in the top for the chimney. Okay, so we've skipped a couple steps here. We put the insulating blanket and then another layer of the vermiculite cement mixture over top. And then the final coating is Quick Wall. We used a product called Quick Wall, which is cement, mortar, fiberglass reinforcement strands all mixed together, and seemed to do a pretty decent job for the outer surface. Got to use some very small fires to dry out the pizza oven, and just do that very, very slowly, like over the course of a few weeks, even months, if you can wait that long. Here we're just about ready to start cooking some pizzas. So you can see the fire going inside. Cook the pizzas right on the fire brick surface. find that if you use cornmeal, the pizza is it doesn't stick to the surface, and it's a lot easier to get it on and off. So thanks very much for watching the quick overview of how to build, or how we built our pizza oven. This was really just try to answer some of the questions that people are asking, and if you're interested, please comment down below. I could make a longer video that goes into a lot more detail on the process, but I thought I'd start off with a quick overview. Again, please click the like and subscribe buttons. That really helps the channel. Thanks very much. Have a great day.